In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Hevy workout app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the first step is to actually go and get the Hevy app. So you can get this from your Play or App Store. Search for Hevy and you want to go ahead and make sure we got the correct one. So this is it here, Hevy Gym Log Workout Tracker, and it's by Hevy Gym Workout Tracker. So go ahead, download and install it. Then from here, for the first time, we need to go ahead, either sign up with your Google account or email, or log in if you already got an account. So with me, I'm going to go ahead and sign up with my Google account. Alright, I've chosen my Google account. Now on the next page, we need to go ahead and put in our username. So I'm going to put in my username like so. Hopefully it's not taken. And there we go. Alright, so allow Hevy to send notifications. You can allow or don't allow. Now select units. So you want to go ahead and make sure you got the correct units for your country. So I'm in Australia. We use kilograms, kilometers, and centimeters. So I'm going to keep that as is. Now we can enable Health Connect. So enable permissions to Android Health Connect so Hevy can report data about your workout measurements. So if you want to do that, you can. I'm going to do not now. Now they might try and get you to sign up to their yearly plans, so you can do that if you really enjoy using their app and help out a creator. But I'm just going to click on skip for this demonstration. Now if you want to accept emails, you can from on this page. Now I should say welcome to Hevy, easy to log your workouts, tracking each set, no more using Google Excel spreadsheets. Alright, so from here we want to go ahead and click on to continue, so we can analyze your workout history, in-depth analytics, which is cool. Now we can also join the community if you want. Now from here, go ahead and click on get started. Now you're going to be asked, how did you hear about Hevy? I'm just going to say other, click continue. Now on this page, we've got 3 tabs at the bottom. So we've got the home tab, which is where you can go ahead and follow athletes or invite a friend here. Also we can connect contacts, discover athletes. And then we've got the workout tab. This is the main one I'm going to be using for this. And then we've got our profile tab. This is where we can go ahead and change our profile, change our name. We can see our statistics, exercises, measures, calendar, all your workouts, and start tracking here. But what we first want to do is go to workout. Now it's going to look something similar to this. So we want to go ahead and click onto either new routine or start an empty workout. So what we need to do is go ahead and click on new routine, and then we can put a routine title. And for this one, I'm going to say legs. And now we can go ahead and add exercises. So we want to search for exercises. So it's going to be a leg workout. So I'm going to add a few here. So what I suggest doing is go into all muscles and then choose legs. Where's legs here? So you got hamstrings, quads. So I might do quads. I'm going to search all the different quads. So we've got a popular exercise, which is cool. We can add, so we can we've got a leg extension, leg press, squats. So if you're doing squats, we can go ahead and add that, add a leg press, leg extension, and just add these 3 exercises. Now for here, we can go ahead and create this routine. So you're creating a routine, tap for help if you want. So estimated duration 2 minutes, exercise free, sets free. So from here with the squats, we can go ahead and reorder the exercise, replace exercise, or add to superset. Now we can also add routine notes here. So if you didn't quite get what you needed, or if you're feeling a bit sore, etc., we can change the rest time on and off. So say for me, I like to do 1 minute rest timers, and sets, we can go ahead and select what type of set you're doing. So we've got warm up set, normal, failure set, drop set, remove set. So if I'm doing a normal set, I'm going to keep that. We can change the kilograms. So say I'm doing 100 kegs, and now for reps, I'm going to do reps, say 10 of these, like so, and then we can go ahead and add set, and then we can add another one, so set number 2. So if you're doing set 2, say this one's going to be 90 kilo, we can change this manually like this, and then we're doing 10, add another set, say just doing 80 kilo for 10. So, and we've got a rest time 1 minute. Now we're going to keep doing that to the rest of these. So I'm going to fill this out and just then I'm going to go ahead and click save. Okay, so I've filled out this. So from here, we're going to go ahead and click on to save. So it's going to create that routine. Now, back here, we can check out our routine. So we can go ahead and start that. And then it'll say you have a workout in progress. Just go ahead and resume here. So I've got this log workout. So I'm just going to discard this one I was working on before. Now for this one, it's going to say legs. So go ahead and click on start routine. And now it's going to give you duration here. So from here, we want to go ahead and start with our squats. So now we want to do one set of 100 kilos, 10 reps. So go ahead and do that. Once you do that, go ahead and click on the tick. Then likewise, give yourself a minute rest. Down here, it's going to count down in 1 minute. Once that stops at 0, go ahead and do set 2 at 90 kilograms and bang, off again. And we can go ahead and add time and skip time, and we can also skip if you want here. So you can skip that, and it'll give you like a little warning thing, so timer notification set up, so you can go ahead and change that. So if you do that, that's cool. And then we'll move over to leg press. So just keep going through your exercises like that. Now once you've finished, I'm just going to go ahead and just check all these, pretend I've done them all. And then from here, we can go ahead and add exercises as well if you want, or add even more sets. But if you finish, go ahead and click on the finish. And then I'll say unusual workout duration. Your workout lasted 1 minute, which seems shorter. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep current duration. And there we go. So save workout. You can add a photo, video as well. We can put a description, visibility, and routine settings. And then from here, go ahead and click on save. And it's going to show you your volume and how many sets as well. So there we go. One workout is finished. So from here, we can go ahead and share workout if you want. It's going to date it as well, and click done.